Hello and Jai Hind, all the viewers of my channel Conceptomania. If you are here to know that is it possible that the sum of 1, 2, 3, 4 up to infinity will gives you the result as a negative fraction? Yes, it is possible. But how it's possible? Practically it's not looking possible that the sum of the positive numbers will gives you the negative output. But yes, this has been given by our great Indian mathematician S. Ramanujan, Srinivas Ramanujan, who was a great mathematician during the British rule, and date of birth was 22nd of December 1887. On the behalf of date of birth of Honorable Ramanujan, we are celebrating National Mathematics Day on 22nd of December every year. This particular statement since given by the Ramanujan, that's why this is known as the Ramanujan paradox. Okay, Ramanujan paradox, meaning of paradox is what? It's true but contradictive. It means the statement is not false, but what we can observe from our presence of mind that it is not possible to sum of the positive number will equal to a negative output. Let us see how we can easily do this. Okay, start with a sequence. We need to take A as 1 minus 1 plus 1 minus 1, that is oscillatory series we have taken. Okay, and another series B we are going to take, that is 1 minus 2 plus 3 minus 4 and plus up to infinity. What we will do, we will start from A. So let us take A once again. So A will be equal to 1 minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 and so on up to infinity. A is equal to, if we take minus as a common from the second terms onwards. Okay, so what will happen if we take minus? So all the inside terms will interchange the sign. So what will happen with this term? It is a negative term. After taking negative, it will be a positive number. 1, this is minus 1, this is plus 1 and so on. Hope so there should not be any problem after taking the common minus from second term onwards. If we carefully looking at the statement, this is 1 and minus, again we are getting 1 minus 1 plus 1 up to infinity. वही तो है, 1 minus 1 plus 1 up to infinity. What is that? It is again we representing the same value A. So can we write at the place of this as A? Yes, obviously we can write. Now transfer this value, this negative A become positive A, this will be A plus A, 2A is equal to 1 and the value of A will be equal to 1 by 2. Done. So the statement number 1 is clear. Hope so. The second one is, if we are subtracting A minus B, nothing to do, we are going to subtract this B sequence from A. So consecutive terms, respective terms we need to subtract. Suppose this subtracted, okay, this one subtracted from this one, similarly this one subtracted from this one. So for your better understanding, what we can do, A minus B is equal to, what we can write, 1 minus 1 cancel out, okay, minus 1 and this negative of negative 2 plus 2, it will be plus 1, this minus 1 plus 1 and minus 3 minus 2, this is minus 1 and plus 4 become, because after subtraction the terms which are containing the signs it will interchange now. So minus 1 and it become plus 4. Okay, so plus 4 and minus 1 become plus 3 and minus 4 and so on. Getting my points? समझ में आया क्या? So A minus B will be equal to, if you are looking at this sequence once again carefully, can you give the answer that what is representing? 1 minus 2 plus 3 minus 4, 1 minus 2 plus 3 minus 4, it is obvious the value of B again. So at this place we can easily put the value as B. Yes, so what we can write, A is equal to B plus B or A is equal to 2B, but we have the value of A as 1 by 2. So at the place of A we can put 1 by 2 from relation 1. So 1 by 2 is equal to 2B, or B is equal to 1 by 4 is equal to B. So this is the second relation that recently we got it. Sure. So value of A is 1 by 2 and value of B is 1 by 4. I am going to remove these points. These all were just for your additional knowledge. The next and important term is what? We need to prove S is equal to 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 up to infinity is minus 1 by 12. What to do? We are going to subtract B minus S. Okay, B minus S. So let us write down the B sequence first. What is B? 1 minus 2 plus 3 minus 4 plus 5 and so on up to infinity, right? And the value of S after that I am going to write down just below the second one because it is easy to note the exact answers. So S is what? 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 and so on up to infinity again. So after subtraction, that minus S will take place, so sign obviously will change. This will be negative, it is negative, negative and all. So this first term will cancel because 1 minus 1, I am going to change the sign to make it more clear. Minus, minus, minus and so on. So it will cancel out, it will give 0. This minus 2 and minus 2, it will give the output as minus 4. Okay. This plus 3 minus 3 cancel out, it will give the 0 as a result. Minus 4 and minus 4 become minus 8 and plus 0 and so on. Suppose we are taking one more term, it will be minus 12 obviously and plus 0 and up to infinity. Hope so the points is clear. So what we are getting finally, the value of B minus S is minus 4, minus 8, minus 12 and so on up to infinity. What we'll do, B minus S is equal to, after taking minus 4 as common, minus will take common in all and also 4 because the all numbers is divisible by 4. So 4 1 ja 4, minus we have taken common, it become plus, 4 2 ja 8, 4 3 ja 12 up to so on, this is infinity. So B minus S is equal to minus 4, and what we can get from here, that 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to infinity is what? 1 plus 2 plus 3, again we are getting S. Yes or no? Okay. So B minus S will be equal to minus 4S. So B is equal to minus 4S and this is plus S. So B is equal to minus 4S and plus S, minus 3S. So B is equal to minus 3S, or B by minus 3 is equal to S. Okay, but what we have the value of B as, value of B is what? 1 by 4. So can we put the value of B as 1 by 4 in this relation number 35 assuming? Obviously yes, we can put it. So value of B is 1 by 4, just put B is equal to 1 by 4. So S is equal to, we have minus B by 3. Can we write it like this in the simplification form? So S is equal to minus B means minus of B, value of B from here, this is 1 by 4. So 1 by 4 and into 1 by 3, thus S is equal to minus 1 by 12. We have proved that the value of S is what? Value of S, it is equal to minus 1 by 12. The great salute to our great Indian mathematician S. Ramanujan, who have given this great concept which are still challenging for a few mathematicians, that is not possible, but he has given the concept without any error. You can check out and you can tell me that we have we done any wrong steps that is not going to be take valid points. Yes, so it's all about today's video. Hope so you have liked. So don't forget to subscribe and share in your friends. Jai Hind.